Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and then continue watching my video. A lot of business owners will not cash out of the business they're doing. I said what I said because I don't know. Nowadays, people just start business without even knowing the left and right of what they want. And you see people start business and they are not ready to push that business to where it's supposed to be. What do I mean by they're not ready? A lot of people start the business. All they invest in is, you know, buying plenty of goods, getting the store rent, employing people. They have not actually sat down to think, how do I want to promote this business? Am I going to do online advertising? Am I going to, go to the radio? Am I going to do billboard? They are not thinking about that at all. And even when people suggest to them, do this, do this, do this to push the business out there, author is entering here, is coming out of here. Why? Because most people do not understand the fact that you need money to make money. What did I say? You need money to make money. You have to spend money to get visibility. You have to spend money to get attention. You have to spend money for people to know you first before you start to cash out. And now, why some people will also not cash out is because some people feel like once you start a business, you would begin to cash out. It is a lie. That is why most business owners, when they are starting a business, the running cost of the business for 1 to 2 years, they have it at hand because you actually need to break into the market, which can take up to 6 months to 1 year to 2 years to 3 years before you actually break even in the market. And now, if you don't have this money set aside, before you know, you're crashing already. You are crashing because you're already coming into that business with the mindset that to cash out once I start, once I post, everybody will rush me. It's not like that. I'll tell you the truth. It is not like that. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking of starting your own business, you are already excited of the smell of the new goods that will come, you need to go back. Go back right now and have a rethink. How are you going to push that business? How are you going to market that business? So any person that is telling you that you buy the goods, post on social media, they will rush you. That person is deceiving you. Okay? So there's a process to all of these things. You must always follow that process if you want to get results. So why I said a lot of you will not cash out is because you are not ready for business. Like you are doing, let me sell now and eat. Let me sell now and eat. And if that's your strategy, man, you won't. And if you are in that school of thought that you don't want to spend money to run ads, you don't want to spend money to promote, you don't want to work with anybody, Jesus is leading you, my sister. Even faith without work is dead. So you have to do the human part. You push on your own. God will see your diligence. God will see your hard work. And then he will decide that, okay, my daughter, let me push you further. Okay? But whereby you relax and you do nothing, my sister, you will not see anything. So a lot of business owners that I have seen that are joking with publicity, there are a lot. So that's why I tell you boldly and strongly that a lot of business owners will not cash out. They will just remain at a certain level because they are not thinking forward. They are not thinking, oh, in 2 years and 3 years, how do I want to go further? If you look at my story, you will see that there's growth from time to time, from even my content style to how I talk about my business, how I add new things in my business. That's because why? That's because I keep projecting, how can I be better? How can I stay valuable in the market? So some of us don't think of all those things. You don't think of how you want to stay valuable in the market. And when you don't think of that, it's difficult. Let me speak French. It's difficult. It's going to be difficult for you to still maintain a space in the market terrain. So you need to keep thinking of how you want to boost, how you want to stay ahead. So please, I hope I've been able to change a lot of school of thought that some of us have. Okay, you need money to make money. So if you don't do that, you might not cash out. So that's my take on this. So thank you if you watched this point. Thank you. If you have other topics that you want me to throw more light on, please do so in the comment section. And like I said, thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.